You're on? Yeah, we have. He ate yours already. Okay. Guide your head up the hole, sir. I want to be careful. Alright. I don't want to force it, so.
Just let him run. Just let him run.
He saw us, he's like, alright, I gotta go now.
He saw us, he's like, I'm booking it.
I can just. No, it's here. Look at his tail.
Yo! Let's get it, dude!
Yo!
And he bit it.
This is a 30 incher for
And he
sure.
bit it.
40 maybe.